Hi, welcome in ECPS group. Today is the third episode of working with this Aston DB9. We are doing the customization from regular parts to forged carbon upgrade. The car has been already dismantled and waiting for new parts to come in. We will start the works in a minute. At the moment we are finishing polishing the rest of the parts, which I'll show you next on. I'd like to show you a room where we're storing our carbon parts for curing until they will get fully dry. We polishing them and sending them worldwide for the customers. We have parts for Lamborghini, for Ferrari, Maserati, Aston Martin and other supercars brands. Over here you can see plain carbon parts, twill carbon, as well red carbon or forged carbon. And also we have parts in Pagani carbon style as well. So the forged carbon upgrade on Aston Martin DB9 has been already finished. We have done lots of exterior and interior bits, which are front splitter, front grille, engine slam panel, front hood strakes, side strakes, door moldings, wing mirror caps, rear light streams, rear diffuser, and from interior of the car we have done center console panel, door handlebars and kick plates.